Hi, my name is Farah Alia, and today I will start this video with introducing you to the objective of this experiment, which is to determine the volume and density of ball bearing and to determine the volume and density of glass block. So, in this experiment, we'll focus on the importance of accurate measurements. We'll learn how to measure things like length, mass, and time accurately. This ability is crucial in science and in our daily lives. Through hands on activities, we'll become capable in recording, analyzing, and interpreting measurements. By the end of this experiment, you'll have the information and skills to make exact measurements, a skill that is vital in many areas. The apparatus for this experiment is vernier caliper, micrometer screw gauge, weighing scale, ball bearing, and glass block.
To determine the volume and density of ball bearings, micrometer screw gauge is used because of its function to measure smaller dimensions compared to vernier caliper. It was found that the zero error of the instrument is 0.00. To calculate the volume of the ball bearing, the formula V equal to 4 over 3 pi r to the power of 3 is used. Based on our findings, the diameter is 20.05 mm, while the radius is 10.02 mm. According to the calculation, the volume of the ball bearing is 0.42 meter cube and the uncertainty value is 1.2558 times 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. To determine the length, width, and height of the glass block, vernier caliper is used because of its function to measure the outer thickness, inner diameter, and depth of a hole up to a maximum of 130 mm with 0.05 mm approximation. To calculate the volume of the glass block, the formula V equal to length times width times height is used. Based on our findings, the length is 10.18 cm, the width is 1.852 cm, and the height is 5.980 cm. According to the calculation, the volume of the glass block is 0.11 times 10 to the power of 3 meter cube. Meanwhile, the uncertainty value is 0.09 meter cube. Next, to determine the density of each item, the formula density equal to mass over volume is used. It was found that the density of the ball bearing is 7 times 10 to the power of minus 8 kilogram meter cube. Meanwhile, the uncertainty value is 2.345 times 10 to the power of minus 10 kilogram meter cube, while the density of the glass block is 2.51 times 10 to the power of negative 9 kilogram meter cube. Meanwhile, the uncertainty value is 2.14 times 10 to the power of minus 12 kilogram meter cube.
Conclusion. In conclusion, we were able to learn how to get a correct measurement and use the micrometer and vernier caliper. This lab allowed us to get a better understanding of the principle of the system of fits and practice using different measuring instruments for a variety of objects. One of the other main concepts we gained from this lab was when it comes to measurement, it is best if we can make the accuracy of our measurements as precise as possible since this is an essential skill that will be required more often. In summary, this experiment has provided valuable insight into the principle of measurement, accuracy, and error analysis. These skills are fundamental to scientific and engineering practice, and they will be instrument in future experiment and practical application. We have learned the importance of selecting the appro- appropriate measurement tools, minimizing error sources, and reporting measurement accurately.